Okay, it's 8:57. I have not done anything since this morning's trade in this area. It's been a lot of chop, a lot of mixed activity. I almost snagged some up here, but I was never filled. But I really don't have a lot of conviction on the upside or the downside. Um, I do think there's a possibility that they run this thing up, above 300 and run some stops today. I think that's a possibility that could happen today. But I'm keeping my eye out for a break. I'll keep my eye on this area maybe for a potential breakdown. But meanwhile, I'm kind of just kicking back, and I'm not really willing to put on any risk right now. I've no real conviction either way, so just kicking back and relaxing. K912, this thing continues to chop around. As you can see, we keep flirting with, breaking down and then jerking right back up. But I really don't have any conviction either way. I'm kind of just sitting back. If I see a really low risk entry somewhere, I may take it, but just gonna watch and see if I can find something that gives me a nice edge. 916, the chop fest continues, especially on the shorter term time frame chart right here. But on the longer term time frames, you can see that we break down, we snap back up, we never close below it, and there's just it's choppy and it's dangerous. Um, you can get stopped out all over the place in this junk. So I'm sitting on my hands, waiting for a nice opportunity, but there's just not a lot of conviction either way. So, I do have a small order out there, a 4-tick risk. It might stop me out in a matter of seconds or not, but I don't know. I just feel like they're going to push this market higher. I think the I think people are trying to pick tops and things like that, and so I just feel like they're just going to keep running them to the upside. That's just my guess. We continue just to chop around here, but I'm not willing to risk very much at all. So, if I don't get filled, I'm not going to chase. If I get filled, I'll have a 4-tick risk, and we'll kind of see what happens here. But I may not even get an opportunity to get filled. So, okay, 3-tick risk. I might get stopped out here in the matter of seconds here, but 3 ticks to make 20. I'll take that. I'll take that trade all day long. Not a huge amount of conviction, thus the 3-tick risk, but I just have a feeling that we might push up higher. But again, not a lot of conviction either way. Low risk with a target of highs, new highs. So we'll see how this one plays out. Okay, 924, starting to pop a little bit. I'm still not convinced we're going up, but again, I have 3 ticks at risk. I'm thinking of just moving my stop up to a break even, because if we reverse this bar, I'll probably get stopped out. But I don't know. I just have no conviction here either way. I'll leave my stop where it's at. I'll risk 3 ticks and just let it play out. 3 ticks to make 20. It's a great risk to reward. We'll just let it happen. Okay, somehow I am still in the trade. It's been over 10 minutes, only risking 3 ticks, and I'm still kind of just chilling here. Something to note is we've been in this area for a long time, which means light volume, because each bar represents 377 contracts, and so it's just been chopping around, hasn't really moved. Just a lot of light volume chop, but